is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC tips. And in today's video, I will show you how to detect and repair any file errors on your C drive on Windows PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Right, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, press Windows plus X. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to press K. And this dialog box here is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to Edit, Boot Page File, Crash Dump, Basic Data Protection. Right click on that and make sure you go to Property. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to Tool. Then under the tool right here, you have Error Checking. So here, this option will check the drive for file error system. Click on Check right here. Then you don't need to scan this drive. We have not found any error on this drive. You can still scan the drive for error if you want. So what you need to do is to simply click on Scan Drive. Allow this scan to run completely and your hard drive become more healthy and improve the performance of your Windows PC. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to scan and check error on your hard drive on Windows PC. I hope you got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.